Welcome to Dayspring Trailers. Today we're looking at a brand new Cargo King Lancer model 6x12 trailer. This one is got some extras on it. First is finished in diamond silver. It is sitting on a 3,500 pound axle. We added 6 inches of extra height to it so you can walk in and out without hitting your head and make it nice. We'll continue walking around. You can take a look. This is what we call our flat nose or round nose. It's got a nice piece of diamond plate down low to catch those flying rocks off your tow rig. Walk around this side. It's got an RV style side door with a deadbolt lock here so you can get in and out nice and easy. All the lights, of course, are LEDs. You can see back here. Nice big LED lights. You can see them up high and stuff. This one is a ramp door. And you can see inside there, it's got a dome light on the inside. Nicely finished. Lots of room in here because of the extra height. You can walk in and out. We can get these in different colors, different sizes, double doors in the back, you name it, we could do it. We specialize in custom oriented trailer the way you want it for your needs. If you have questions about this trailer or any other trailer, reach out to us at dayspringtrailers.com or call us at 503-666-7300. And we are a full service center and a full parts center. Thanks for looking and have a wonderful day.